Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games that have automatically uninstalled themselves. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on it and from the drop-down list that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam configuration panel where you can manage various aspects of your client. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Storage. This section is crucial because it manages all the drives and folders where Steam keeps track of your installed games. Sometimes Steam loses connection to these folders, which is why your games appear to be uninstalled even though the files are still on your computer. Now at the top of the storage page, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Add Drive from the options. This action allows you to manually point Steam back to the location where your games are stored, essentially reconnecting Steam to your game library. A new drop-down menu will appear. Click on it and select the folder or local drive containing your Steam library, then click Add. Steam will now begin rescanning that drive and rediscovering all the games that are already installed there. This process usually takes just a moment, and you should start seeing your games reappear in your library as Steam recognizes them again. Additionally, you can repair your Steam library folder to ensure everything is properly connected and functioning. To do this, click the drop-down menu again and select the local drive that contains your Steam games. Once selected, click on the three dotted lines icon, then select Repair Library from the menu that appears. This repair function checks the integrity of your library folder and fixes any broken connections or corrupted files that might be causing your games to disappear. Give it a few seconds to complete the repair process. After the repair is finished, navigate to the upper left corner and click on Library. This will take you back to your main game library where you can now confirm that all your Steam games have been restored and are showing up correctly. You should see all your previously installed games listed and ready to play. And there you have it, your Steam game should now be back in your library and ready to launch. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.